hey guys, we're going to be jumping forward in time a wee bit. Just back from Baltimore, so back in sunny old Scotland. But yeah, need to take a trip up to Curry's because my laptop got dinged on one of the flights. Now, I don't have the accident insurance with Curry's, so it's going to be going through my travel insurance that I took out, luckily. But I need to get a quote first. So, going to run up there, and on the way up I shall update you on everything that happened on those 2 flights, because it was eventful. Baltimore to be eventful on the flight back. It got delayed by 2 hours for the first flight to Reykjavik, and that is where said injury happened to my laptop that we're going to see about getting it fixed. And then the other flight was delayed by an hour. So all in all, we made up good time. We were only an hour late. But then I got off the flight, went to baggage claim, and because of said 2-hour delay, they hadn't put my bag on the plane from Reykjavik to Edinburgh. So yeah, a little bit pissed about that. But gotta wait 5 days. If I don't get it, then I've got to claim again off of my travel insurance. So, all in all, good tip: don't fly with WoW Air. And add on to that, on the second leg of the flight, there was someone smoking an e-cigarette right next to me. Don't know about everywhere else, but e-cigarettes and cigarettes are banned on flights in the UK, so it was a bit, you're really doing that? With all this traffic, it's best for a walking day. The thing about being in America taught me, nobody actually cares what you're doing. I mean, just now I feel a bit stupid talking to a phone, but in the grand scheme of things, nobody cares. Just got out of Curry's. I got a number, I got a customer helpline, I got a warranty that I didn't know I had, so it should all be fixed without me delving into my travel insurance. But I'll catch you back home. So, good day, bad day. Maybe it's already let up, but it's now raining. And there's a very cold wind to go with it. So, I'm gonna make this quicker trip back without getting ran over. I'm gonna make as quick a trip back to the house as possible. Get warmed up. The pot's on top of it. But, oh, that's gonna be some tender pork. So, as I was saying, I have a number to call. So I'm gonna phone them if I can get my jacket off. Damn cups. Aha! Jacket off. Kettle is going on. And I shall phone them and see what is happening with my laptop. Just to add to my rage, I was told the wrong thing in the shop, even though they should have just booked the flipping laptop in. I now have to pay £60 for the shipping and handling of the laptop, and then I get a quote on what actually needs fixed on it, which is blatantly, obviously, just the flipping case. And then I have to send the quote along with the fact that I've spent £60 on shipping and handling to my travel insurance. So, yeah, I'm going to be on the phone for a wee bit longer because I need to phone back the travel insurance and talk it through with that. But, again, it all depends on whether my luggage comes as well. Because if my luggage doesn't come, that's going to be 2 lodged against my name. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so update. I am not getting my laptop fixed. 135 quid. Not happening. And it's not worth me wasting my time with the post office. So I jankily botched it. So that's it there. Botched. And botched. Fabulous job. Like I said. Like a glove, it fits. And then I've not even attempted to do anything with this. Side note, the Baltimore video will be out in the next sort of couple of days. I'm still working on it, so keep an eye out. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see that, and there'll be a couple more videos per week, kind of like this one here. If you have any suggestions down below, put them in the comments. I will read every single one, and I will attempt to reply to every single one if I am not busy at work, etc. Even in my spare time, I will reply to them. So yeah, like I said before, keep it real, dudes. Catch. Talk to you about me as a person, and in doing so, hopefully, I help anybody else who is watching this. I myself have had, in the last 2 years or so, my hair is really potato, sorry about that. In the last year and a half, 2 years, I've had various dips of depression, anxiety, you name it, that sort of thing. And didn't exactly know how to deal with it as such. I've since learned talking about it does help a tremendous amount. One of the main reasons that I started taking up mountain biking again, playing a lot more sports, keeping a lot more active, and having a lot more projects on the go to keep my mind occupied. Not so much occupied in distracting me from thinking about those things, but occupied in a way that I wasn't consciously thinking about them, so I wasn't going overthinking too deep, if you get what I mean. I kind of just wanted to clear that matter up, because in some of the videos I look like I am incredibly down. Just watching back the last 2 videos that I done, I looked incredibly down. I promise I'm not always like that. It's just been a bit of a weird one for me. But like I say, if you have anything that you want to talk about, hit me up. My email is in my channel page, and I'll do my best to talk you through whatever you're feeling. And yeah, even if you just want someone to message, not necessarily to have them give you feedback on or to justify why you're feeling such ways, etc. Just write it down in an email. I'll read it if I feel that you need to, if I feel like I have some valid input to put to you. I will obviously reply to every single one, but I will reply with my sort of advice. Again, it's not mandatory you take it. I would never make anybody take anybody else's advice purely on that merit. I just put my thumb in front of the camera. I just know from my own personal experience that you would benefit from, well, I benefited from the ways that I deal with it. And if you are creatively minded, etc., then it's probably going to be a good move for you. It releases and spikes dopamine. So all in all, hit me up down below. Even in the comments, drop me a private message or whatever, and I will get back to you on that. Again, sorry for the shortness of this vlog. I did not mean for this to be just a pointless bulking out of the vlog. I just felt that I wanted to clear things up from watching back my own videos. But as always, guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one.